Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today our topic will be a slot. Just get into it. Select a plane. I'm selecting a front plane. You can select any of the plane. Okay. Now we have four options in a slot. The first one is a straight slot. Straight slot means you need to select two of the points and then the width of the slot. Smart dimensions, give length to it. I'm making it 40. It is 40, and the radius, which actually determine the width of the slot, it should be 5. Means the diameter of the arc or the width of the arc should be 10 millimeters. Okay. Here is my slot. These are the options and how can we make it. This was just simple. Now let's move to the other type of the slot, which is center point straight slot. Center point straight slot and a straight slot both are same, but the difference is that in a straight slot you need to select 2 points anywhere, and but in the center point a straight slot means that you specify a center, then you drag it, and so it is all around all about the center point, selecting a center point. It is quite similar to the other one, the first one, obviously the straight slot arc. Now the next one is a 3-point arc slot. So 3-point arc slot means that you might have seen that there is a slot, but the slot is at some radius, not at an angle, but at some radius. It is like a circular radius. Now we'll learn how to make the slot in circular form or in a radius. Give some radius to the slot. Okay, specify 2 points, and now we will specify the radius of the arc. Specify this one, and now the width of the arc. You can give radius to any of these points. If you have a radius of the lower of the shorter radius, or a center radius, or a bigger radius, you can specify any of them. Okay, I'm specifying the shorter one, which is 25. You can select anyone, and now you can either give radius to this one, the outer one, or to the you can directly specify the width. So specifying the width, I'm giving it 10. So if it is 10, means that the width is 20. So 20 plus 25 will be 45. It's a 45. What it will give us, like the dimension is we have fully defined a sketch. Now it's unnecessary. This dimension is unnecessary. It will not affect the slot. Okay, so this was all about the arc slot. Now move to the last one, which is the center point arc slot. I think we have this was the first one is a 3-point arc slot, and now center point arc slot. Center point is quite similar to the previous one. There one is a straight arc slot and straight slot, and the other one is center point straight slot. Now arc slot, but we just need to specify the center of the circle or the radius. So okay, like this, give it some width. So this was all about the slot. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.